What's up, Kurlz Crew, and welcome again to my channel. If you are new here, I am Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I am going to give you guys my updated skincare routine. So it's going to be more laid back and very relaxed and soothing because we all need time to pamper ourselves, don't we? Yes! It helps us stay sane, especially in times like these. But anyway, if you guys would like to see this video, please stay tuned. Seriously, stay tuned.
Little Karen with a pressing curl, a curly afro when I cut my hair. 19 when I got a relaxer. Oh man, what a disaster. 23 when I cut it all off. 24 when I got on natural.
Okay guys, so the first tip that I can give you guys is make sure that you're drinking enough water. That's going to be one of the most important things. So let me get that out of the way right now. Hold on. Cheers. Refreshing. I don't think I should have just guzzled that down like that, but whatevs, it's out of the way, right? And then next, fix your posture. Fix your posture, baby. And then next we are just going to take a head wrap, little ASMR moment for you. And then just wrap up your hair so that you don't get that wet or anything. You can leave it over your ears if you want, or just pull your ears out. And I got this from Five Below. I love it. It's super cute. It's comfortable. It's adjustable. It has ASMR. Everything you need. Okay, baby. Okay, so now, first I am going to go in with my ultimate skincare system. It is from Skin Nutritions. It's a 1-2-3 step system. I did use this before a year ago, I believe, and I am still using this. It does work very well for me. So I'm going to start with this. And I am just going to take a small amount here and start applying it all over my face. Don't worry about your eyebrows too much with this, because this can just wash right off. I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it. Okay. That all over. And then one thing I like to do when I'm doing this step is I like to take my razor and touch up any of those weird hairs that are on my skin, so that when I go to do my makeup the next day, that it's nice and smooth and I can just start without having to do this step. So I'm going to pull out my mirror and I'm going to go ahead away and get rid of any of those weird hairs. So first I like to start with my mustache, and then I like to work up and then back down against the grain in a way. That way you don't have too many super thick hairs growing back in between you trying to clean up your face. So, yeah. Get that mustache, baby. Get the mustache. Posture. And I'm going to go in and do the same thing with my eyebrows. So my unibrow down the middle. Y'all, that thing will get out of control very easily. So I have to touch it up, because if I don't, then I'll have to go to the salon and I will not be able to DIY my eyebrows, you guys. So be careful with the razor and take your time, especially if this isn't something that you're used to doing. You want to make sure that you're being super careful. So I am just following my brow line and touching them up. And add water if you need to. So I'm just going to finish this and then I'll come back and we'll get into the rest of the cleansing. This is what it looks like when I am done, and I just used a regular basic eyebrow razor to just clean this up. So it's nice and clean the way I need it to be. Next, I'm just going to go in with my little spin brush here. I'm just going to damp it a little bit. Turn it on. And then just start working that into my face to get a nice thorough clean. now that my face is clean, I am just going to rinse this off so that I can get ready to apply my face mask. So let's rinse this off. Keep a clean towel around to pat your face. You want to get it almost as dry as you can, but it doesn't have to be completely dry. Now we are going to move in with our Cosmic Metallic Peel Off Face Mask, and I got this from Five Below, so as you can see it's only $5. So I am just going to use this here to apply it. Oh, that color is so pretty. Look at that, you guys. Pretty. All right, so let's get it on the face. Right. So you just want to paint this right on there and then just get a smooth layer of it on your skin. So I'm going to speed this part up and then I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like when it is fully applied. I'm just gonna allow this to dry. The instructions say to let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll see you guys in about 15 minutes. This is what it looks like dry. Look at my skin, you guys. But it is completely smooth and dry all over. So let's start peeling this thing off. All right, so that I'm gonna fast forward this, guys, okay? So I'm gonna get the rest of this off and then we are gonna move forward with the next step. Next, I'm just going to take my rag here and gently wipe. Like if you just gently wipe, it'll come right off. So you can't forget about your mouth area. So what I like to do is I like to take, it's a Clarity Sea Salt Solutions. It's really a face sea salt scrub, but I like to use it for my lip area because, you know, you have to clean it and keep them nice and exfoliated. So I'm just going to dampen my lips, add some of the salt directly on there. I'm going to go in with my Spinbrush again, but I'm going to use a different head. And I'm just going to, I want you guys to see the teeth on this. So there you go. So there's teeth. I'm going to turn this on the highest setting and just let that massage into my lips. Now I did brush my teeth already off camera because I know some people can brush their teeth on camera. For me it's gross. I don't want to see myself spitting on camera. That's whatever. But I'm just going to do this for a few seconds, because you don't want to make it raw. Okay, that's about it. Turn that off and then let's rinse. Next, I'm going in with the second step of my Ultimate Skincare 1, 2, 3 step, and this one is for your exfoliating moisture lotion. It's basically just going to be a moisturizer that you're going to add to your skin, but it's basically going to also tone your skin. So you're going to put that onto a cotton swab or whatever cotton you have around the house and just pat that onto your skin very gently all over, and then you can allow this to dry for like 30 seconds. And then I like to follow up with my 24K Prime. This right here is the best serum for me. It's not just because it has gold in there and it looks really pretty. I want you guys to see the gold flakes. Look. I love this stuff. But you do not need a ton of this stuff on your face. You are literally just going to take like 1 drop here, not even a whole drop, like a dot, guys, because you don't need all of this oil on your face unless you have super dry skin. I like to add a little moisture because I like to overly cleanse my skin, because this adult acne is just not for me, you guys. And then I'm just going to rub this in on my entire face with my fingers. And I'm just going to rub that in all over. And then even on my lips to add some moisture there. Okay, one more thing to do with the serum. So I am going to take my roller, which I actually had this in the refrigerator, and it is still cool, but it's not as cold as I typically would like it. But I'm not going to refreeze it so that, you know, wait. So now I am going to add my roller over to my skin just so that I can tighten it up a little bit. And I've done a lot of beating up my skin, and I want to kind of give it a break, let it relax. And this is going to help it be able to tighten. So you want to keep them in the refrigerator so that, oh yeah, you want to keep them in the refrigerator so that they are cold and you get this nice, soothing, cool sensation. Wait. So next I'm going to go over with my roller, and I'm going to just roll directly up my skin. You don't want to roll down because you don't want to drag your skin down. And I'm just going to, oh, that feels so good, guys. I don't know why this feels so good. I think because it's cold and it's just rolling over my face, and I've already beat up my skin a lot with cleaning it. So this is just going to relax my face. And you guys put your rollers in the refrigerator so that it's nice and cold and you get that really good soothing feel of this, okay? And then you can also do your chin area. This has been known to help your chin area thin out. I don't use it enough for it to do that. And then at the bottom, you do want to actually roll down. This is so soothing. I'm gonna fast forward the rest of this because I'm kind of enjoying this way too much. Okay guys, so in a minute. Okay guys, I am back, and yeah, I am still doing this. It's so soothing, but this is my skincare routine. So what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you think you'll try any of these things? If you will, let me know down in the comments. And you guys, we need to be able to pamper ourselves like this. If you can't take a half an hour for yourself, make it, okay? And posture, okay? Don't forget to drink that water. And if you like this video, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.